My husband and I were supposed to be going out on a boat, and it's raining cats and dogs. I don't even know if it's even possible at this point, but nonetheless, I'm supposed to be casual but kind of cute, you know. So I'm trying to like figure out what to do with my hair, because my hair is like really tangled, and my hair is like really tangled and it needs to wash, and I need to do like a rice water treatment that I haven't done. I've been slacking on my channel. I've just been slacking completely, but I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I haven't done one in a long time. I'm going to even show you guys like outfit. Like, I don't think I'm the best dressed person, but I try, you know, I try. So I have this thing here. I bought it like a while back and I haven't used it. It's like for emergency purposes only, and I feel like today is an emergency and like I really need to like hurry up, because I literally have like 1 hour to get ready, and my hair is like a major concern for me, and it takes me forever to do like a full face of makeup. Like usually I'll just put like a little bit of foundation, I'll do my brows and throw some lip gloss and probably a little mascara, and then I'm done. But like to do like full face makeup, concealer, all that stuff, that takes me a while because I'm not like really good at it, but I think I do a good job. So I bought these Juvia Place makeup. I couldn't find my right shade for nothing, so I ended up having to like mix them together. I bought this number 9 concealer. It have like a really huge brush thing like this, but it's a concealer. I also have their foundation, the liquid foundation. I have Lagos, which is $2.40, and I have Accra, which is $3.30. I think that one is like a light color. It's too light for me. This one is also like a light color, $2.40. Okay, and this one is $2.20, darker. That one is like too dark. So I bought two light and then one like too dark. Like it doesn't have like, well, I haven't found it. I don't know. If you find it, let me know. Because on camera, the people who wore these colors, they kind of look like my complexion, but then we have all this lighting and all this extra stuff, so maybe they're not my color, because these two are way too light and this is way too dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the 330, I think. Yeah, I'm going to mix the 330 with the 220. Okay, so we're going for like a full beat face. We're going for like y'all ain't about to recognize me type of face. But for me, I've noticed like makeup don't really make me look different. I don't know, maybe I ain't doing it right, but to me, like I feel like I look the same with makeup on. Like, you know, like sometimes you'll see people like they do like a full face concealer, all this extra stuff, and like you don't even recognize them. Like they look so different. And I feel like I do the same thing. Like I will go through, let me see. This still look, okay, this still look too dark. So I'm just going to add a little more color to it. So, and like some people, they do like a full face of makeup. Oh my gosh, did I add the wrong one? Okay, no, that's $2.40. I feel this is too much makeup, but I'm just mixing it at this point. Like this is just way too much. think this is the shade. I'm just going to put it, I don't know. It looks a little dark. It looks a little light. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just add a little darker. Okay, so I add a little darker to it. Mix it a little bit more. See, that's not too dark. Yeah. Okay. I'll save the rest for tomorrow. Try to blend this in. This looks like way lighter, but I'm hoping that when it oxidizes that it looks like my color. Because sometimes that's what happens. Like it looks so light, but then when it oxidizes, it actually looks okay.
Floating away with you in the backseat of my car. We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Eyeshadow I should use, but I have this Take Me to Brazil, and I'm thinking I'm going to be wearing red, so I want to do probably like this color right here, and I'll just add it to the roof because it looks almost red. Like when I put it on, it looks red. I'm going to take like some highlight because I feel like, okay, I'm using the Juvia palette, the Juvia's Place highlight. It's so sparkly here. It's like really, really pigmented.
Treetops of this world, a balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place of
This concealer number 9, also from Juvia palette. Not a lot, just a little bit, like right here. I ain't doing my nose and all that stuff, like no point. Okay, so I found the falsies. These supposed to be mink iconic. I got them from the hair store. I'm just applying the lash glue on here.
I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I am here to stay. I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I am here to stay.
Okay, I'm just leave it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to decide what lippy I'm going to wear. But in the meantime, while I'm deciding and letting my lashes dry, I'm just going to do my hair. So my hair, I need it to be quick. And as you can see, I'm not going through detangling my hair. I don't have time for all that. So I'm just going to brush my hair up. Ow. Oh my gosh, I have a lot on the road. My hair is a mess. I can't even brush it. Like it feels painful. Okay, so I'm just gonna be putting my hair up and then attaching the piece. So this is pretty self-explanatory. So if you have any questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. So this is how the hair looks out of the top. Taking out the net. So this is what the hair looks like at the store. This is what it is. Instant bun with bangs. Actual bun has like 2 combs, one hair, and then the bang has like 2 clips, one hair, and then I'm going to figure out how I could, put it over my head. That'll be it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided I'm going to go with these ripped jeans, and I'm going to go with this red like cross shoulder top. So I'm just going to put it on. I have another plan, but my husband, he's going to wear black, so this is going to match. So I'm just going to wear these. So when I put them on, I'll show you guys.
And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.